Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to enable the Windows 10 ClearType-Texttuner if it's not already enabled. So basically it'll enhance the text appearance on your screen. So if you may have recently noticed that your text doesn't have that same glossy appearance that it might have had before, there's a very good chance that ClearType might be disabled. Or if for some reason you wanted to disable this feature, and I'm sure it would free up a little bit of computer resources, you could definitely disable it for that reason. Enable it or disable it is completely your business. So we are going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Control Panel here. Should be listed directly above Desktop App. So you want to left click on that. Okay, so when our control panel is under the View by Category view, we are going to select the Appearance and Personalization settings right here. Should appear on the right side underneath User Accounts. So now that we're underneath the Appearance and Personalization area, we want to left click on Fonts at the bottom of this list. Now on the left side, you want to left click on Adjust Clear Type Text. So it'll say make the text on your screen easier to read. And then this gives you a little text box right here. It doesn't actually let you insert any words, but it'll give you an idea of what ClearType will do. So if I uncheck this box right here, it'll disable ClearType, and you can see how the text appears a little bit different. Right here in the wording, it says it'll make your screen look sharper, clearer, and easier to read. Just by toggling this on and off, you get a very clear comparison here. So just keep that in mind, definitely check it out, and then you would just select next. So let's say I wanted to turn it off. I'm just going to deselect the box, and then I'm going to proceed to left click on next at the bottom of this window. And now you actually have the option to tune the ClearType to whatever you want. So whichever one appears better to you, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to say the first one looks better. I'm going to say this one looks the best. It doesn't really matter whatever you select. I'm just going to go with the first option for all of them. Doesn't really make a difference. It appears that it actually does give you optimized settings based upon what your previous answers are. So it gives you a suggestion. So it appeared that based on my previous answers that the third option here would be the best for me. But you can change that as is very evident in what I'm doing right here. So then you're just going to left click on next, and then it'll say you have finished tuning the text on your monitor. Left click on this finish button in the bottom right corner. You might be prompted for a user account control permission, but it appears we were not. So pretty straightforward. You can close out of this font window and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.